We're going to start with the 2 vocabulary words so that you want to make sure you're getting these into your vocabularies. The first one is a linear relationship. If I look in the word linear, it has a couple different words, but the one that's mathematical related is the word line. The other one is ear, but we're going to focus on the line. So a linear relationship would be a straight line. So on a graph, that's what we're going to see. Some sort of line. It could be going up. It could be going down. It could be going straight across. We'll see some place where we have a straight line. On a table, so I should label this as graph. On a table, it's going to go up by the same amount. Every time we're going up by 2s, 3s, 4s. And on our equations, we have an x to the power of 1. Up above, we had y equals 2x plus 2. So this exponent on x, we don't see it, but if we did put one on there, it would be just a 1. And so that's really important. We can't have an x squared or x to the third. It just has to be an x. A nonlinear relationship is anything that does not form a line. And then we are going to graph some different equations, and we're going to see if they form a line or don't form a line. So I've got a whole bunch of equations here, and we're going to see which ones are a straight line and which ones are not. So to do that, we're going to go to Desmos and use the graphing calculator feature on there. And so I want to type in 3x plus 7. So remember, we just do our 3x and then plus 7. And I don't really care much about this except for the fact that that's a line. So y equals 3x minus 7 goes here. Being able to type in the next one, 5x squared. So 5x. Then I'm going to hit this a squared button piece there, and I can tell that line, it's kind of going up or down and then up. So for sure, that's definitely not a line. So that would be a nonlinear. Even if it wasn't quite so squashed on there, it would definitely have a different look to it. And then I'm just going to keep going through all these. I want to type in the ones that are a little bit funnier. 10 divided by x is just literally, oops, I got way too many things in there. Oh, did I do that with the other one too? All right, we'll just 5x squared. We'll type that one in again. It's still nonlinear, but it has a different look to it. We can cross that one out and do 10 divided by x. And that's for sure nonlinear. So y equals 10 divided by x. And I'm just crossing them off when I do those. To get to x to the third, oops, we're going to do x to the power of 3. I'm just trying to see if I can see where that is in here. We have another way we can do it. I'm not seeing it. I wonder if it's because I'm off. Oops, and I put the other ones on there. All right, so x to the third, let's just cross that off. It's the same as x times x times x, so I'm just going to put in 3 x's because I can't find my to the third button on this one. Normally there's a little button that looks like this, and it might be just because of how I'm typing my calculator in there. Let's do y equals 2 times 3 to the power of x. So 2, and then the parenthesis, 3, and then it has to the power of x. Oh, that's right. I can't find my button on this one. Well, I can tell you it's not linear. So somewhere, again, I'm looking for that other button, and I know it's on here. It's just a matter of being able to find it with my scrunch screen. So don't worry about that one. That one's non-linear. And again, you're typing in all the different pieces that you can. The square root sign is going to be right here. It's just right next to that little volume piece in between the volume and the pi. And then do 10x. And I can definitely see that curved. So you're going to type in the rest of them and then see what you can notice.